This is the TaoTronics SoundLiberty 77 True Wireless Earbuds. Included box, earbuds, charging case, 3 sets of soft ear tips, 1 set already attached, 1 micro USB charging cable, user manual, and 1 quick start guide. Bluetooth version 5.0, Bluetooth range 15 meters or 50 feet. Waterproof, Ipx7 Waterproof, no worries about sweat and rain thanks to the Ipx7 Waterproofing. Smallest earplug size as well, which definitely helped. In fact, they even became so comfortable you could forget they were in your ears, and get on with your day for hours at a time. 5 hours playtime from a single charge with latest lower power consumption chip. The compact charging case provides extra 15 hours playtime. 6mm Peak Plus Blue High Fidelity Dynamic Driver offers a truly natural, authentic high fidelity sound, clearer than CD quality. Check update price, visit now. Check details. Worldwide sale. Purchase link on description below. Customer reviews are very well. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share my video.